Hey guys, Brett here with Kingstree Plumbing, and today's question is, in an emergency, where do I shut the water off? So the water main is coming in somewhere in your house. You need to find where it is. So hopefully you're not in an emergency situation here and you're just trying to get prepared and figure out where your main is. There's going to be a line coming in the home. I just want to go over the couple of types of valves that you're going to be looking for. These valves are all over the home, but you're in particular going to be looking for a pipe coming through the concrete or coming through the foundation somewhere with a meter and these types of valves on. So you've either got a ball valve, this is on. Your main valve will be a larger size than this. I'm just showing you the actual way it shuts. And this is either going to be off when it's against the line, or it's going to be on. So you're going to want to turn it off. And if you're not sure and there's water going everywhere, just shut everything off until the plumber gets there. The other type of valve is a gate valve. And this is, you just turn it clockwise until it shuts off. And that will shut the water off. And if it doesn't shut the water off and you've opened all the faucets, you've still got water coming, you've turned all these valves off, you need to get a plumber out, you need to get the county out, the line, the valve outside might be shut as well. So the first place you're going to want to check, if you have no idea, is in the mechanical room, under the stairs, areas like that. We try, when we're building houses, we try and bring up the lines in the mechanical area to make it easier for all your plumbing. Sometimes they can find themselves into cupboards under the stairs. They really could be anywhere, but there is going to be a main somewhere. There's be a way to shut the water off. Now you can see in this home, we've got a newer type ball valve. You're looking for a line that comes in. Sometimes it's this type of material. It can be other type of material as well. But you're looking for a line that comes in with a ball valve or a gate valve. And it can be this height. You can have valves further along that you might need to shut off. Sometimes these fail. So instead of replacing them, people will install other valves. So basically you're going to find this line, you're going to follow it, and you're going to shut valves off. Call a plumber. Call Kingstree Plumbing if you're in our area. We'd really love to come help you and fix those emergency situations. We replace mains, we can freeze the line, we can do a bunch of different stuff. Whatever you need as far as your main, give us a call. And I hope this video has helped you. Please check out some of the other videos. You have a fantastic day. Bye now.